Did you know that Dollar Tree is a camping store? Stick around and let me explain. You can find numerous things at the Dollar Tree that you can use for camping. Zip ties, extra plug-ins, flashlights. Their $5 section has been expanding and now it's $3 to $5. Everything from headphones to Bluetooth speakers to these power banks that I just found. I'm going to try those out. I want to get one of these lantern fans to see how good they are. Who would not like a pair of Dorito or Oreo earbuds? We got this light for $3 and it works perfect. Those lanterns for $1.25 are great for whatever you need. They now have tent stakes. Who knew Dollar Tree had tent stakes? These tarps work good to cover your firewood. These collapsible baskets are pretty cool. I got the smaller version for $1.25. Drawstring bags. It's back to school season, so you got backpacks so you can carry your stuff in. There's numerous paper products. You can even get colorful. You can use some of these tablecloths. We've used them in the past and they work just fine. Plenty of silverware. Plenty of drinkware. The imitation Stanley cups aren't too bad for $5. Tons of food storage. Whether you're doing this at home, in a camper, or in a tent, definitely got stuff that you can put your food in. All kinds of utensils. Great stuff for cooking out. We have some of the pot holders in our camper. They work perfectly fine. Can't beat it for $1.25. Are you stinking up your campground? Well, fear not. They have plenty of soap and deodorant. Restock your first aid kit at Dollar Tree. Who doesn't love some coffee? Instant coffee, brew coffee, iced coffee. It doesn't matter. They've got it all. Camping breakfast, no problem when it comes to Dollar Tree. Worried about snacks for backpacking, for the campsite, or your camping trip in general? Plenty to choose from. 80s kids rejoice. They have Campbell's soup, Chef Boyardee, and SpaghettiOs. Peanut butter and jelly is a quick fix for a camping snack. Everybody loves noodles. Got the ramen noodles, vegetables. You can have Taco Tuesday. There's enough energy drinks in this store to power a small town. You always need water when you go camping. 6-packs, gallons, they got them both. Want to flavor up that water? They have all kinds of flavors, even some that you would be scared to try. While we're here, check out our new channel, Campsite Cruising Cooks, and stick around for more great camping content.